This is my mini car, Toyota Yaris, 2010 model. I've been using this car from past 15 years. This has traveled across the country uh, from New Jersey to San Diego and back, and it's a very reliable car. So nowadays I'm using this car as my pickup truck. I take this car to the Home Depot or the hardware stores to buy stuff and load it and bring it. So whenever I pull the seat back, there are a lot of gaps out there. So I decided to put a hard surface inside and then use it as a mini truck. This has got very good space here. Only thing is this gap, and I'm going to put a plywood here, and I've designed in such a way that is foldable and take it out whenever we don't need it. So I'm going to transfer this profile to this template, and from that template I'll transfer to the board. Then only I can get exact irregular profile, so that it will close all the gaps. This is the marking I got it. It is not very accurate, but still it is okay. So I'm going to cut this and then fine finish it. Let me try this. Oh, I made a mistake here. I'm going to correct that. I shouldn't have gone all the way there. I should have turned here. So I'll fix that. Let me try now. Yeah, this is better. Okay, I can use the same template for this side also. Let me transfer it to the other two sheets and start cutting. Let me try this. I finished cutting this. I hope this will be okay. Perfect. I finished cutting both sides, the other side also. So let me try this. Perfect. Okay, now only thing is I need to fill these gaps, two gaps. So I cut this small bit of board for this gap. You can avoid this if you have extra plywood. I used only one 4x8. That's why I'm having that difficulty. So I'm going to attach those two boards for this piano and hinges.
Too many screws. Oh.
Oh, finally I completed installing this piano hinge. Oh, it took almost 45 minutes, lot of screws. Now I'm going to install and see whether this will fit or not. No. Come on, let's go. I'm going to install these D rings, the four corners, Guys, finally I completed this project and I am very happy about the outcome. Anybody can do this DIY project based on their car dimensions. This will definitely protect the seat when you carry heavy items, and also it is very spacious, so you can carry more items. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.